Hi students, today we are learning parts of the body and their uses. Our body is made up of many parts. All our body parts help us in different ways. Now we will be seeing the parts of the body and what are the uses in this lesson. Parts of the body: head, hair, forehead, eye, ear, nose, cheek, chin, neck, shoulder, arm, fingers, chest, stomach, waist, thigh, knee, ankle, toes, mouth and foot. So these are the parts of the body. Now let us see what are the main parts of our body. Head, neck, shoulders, stomach, chest, arms and legs. Now what are the parts of our face? Hair, forehead, eye, ear, teeth, tongue, chin, lips, eyebrow, eyelash, nose. So these are the parts of the face. Everyone likes a clean and a beautiful face. We have 2 eyes, we have 2 ears, 1 nose, chin, mouth, hair, cheeks on our face. Neck. The neck joins the head to the rest of the body. We have a neck in between our head and the rest of our body. This is joining both the parts of our body. You can see here the neck is joining the head and the rest of the body. It helps us to turn our head from one side to other. You can bend your head front, back, to your right, to your left, like how you all do it in your exercise. This is the way how we do it with the help of our neck. Stomach. The food which we take in through our mouth enters to the stomach. And after it goes there, it starts digesting. Arms. The arms bend at the elbow and the wrist. Our fingers bend too. That is why we are able to work with our hands. We can pick up things, write, clap and do many other activities with our hands. So our arms near the elbow, if you are able to just fold your hand, isn't it easy to bend it? And your wrist. The wrist is a part where we all wear our watch. So it is called as a wrist watch. And even we are easily able to bend our fingers because we have joints in our fingers. This is the way it makes us easy to hold our pencil or whatever things we are picking up or doing any other activities with our hand. Legs. Our legs bend at the knees and ankles. Toes of the feet can bend too. That is why we are able to move our feet. In our legs, we have thigh, knee, ankle and toes. We can walk, jump, hop and run with our legs. Now let us see the sense organs. How many sense organs do we have? Yes, we have 5 sense organs. What are those? Eyes, ear, nose, tongue and skin. Now let us learn one by one what are the uses of it. Eyes. The eyes are one of the most important and delicate sense organs of the body. We can see many things with our eyes. We can know the important characteristics such as the shape of the thing, size, color, distance between two things and height and the depth of the things. So our eyes helps us to see. We can identify the shapes of the things around us. We can know what is the size of it. We can differentiate between the colors, like what color is a tree, leaves are of green, and which color is the flower. So we can differentiate by seeing what are the different colors. And we can also know what is the distance, like how far a thing is kept or how near it is to you. And we can also know what is the height of a thing, like how tall a building is or how tall a person is, and what is the depth of the things, or how deep a well is or how deep a pond is. You can make out by seeing it. Ears. People hear different sounds through ears. We can know the intensity of the sound, the nature of the sound and the direction of the sound through the ears. So we can differentiate between the sounds. We can make out what sound is made by a aeroplane or by a train. When you hear a train passing by, you can recognize it, that even without seeing you can know that there is a train going from nearby. And you can also know if an aeroplane is passing by, even without seeing or going out, you can make out that an aeroplane is flying high up in the sky. We can also know from which direction the sound is coming. At times when you're sitting and somebody calls you, don't you feel that the sound is coming from which direction? Is it coming from the room which is right to you, or is it coming from far? You can make out by the sound from which direction it is coming. Now let us know about nose. We can smell things through our nose. Some things smell sweet and some stink. The difference in the smell can be known through our nose. We can remember the characteristics of special things through our nose. Now, at times, you can smell few things which are very sweet, like flowers, and sometimes you also smell few things which are very stinky, that is, which is like you are unable to smell them. You can also remember the characteristics of special things by example, if your mother closes your eyes and gets a fruit closer to your nose and you smell it, are you able to recognize which fruit it is? For example, if your mom gets a mango and she tells you to close your eyes and asks you to smell it, you are able to smell and tell her which fruit it is. Yes, by smelling we can also know what are we smelling of. We can remember the smell and identify the thing. Tongue. We taste substance through our tongue. We taste things through our tongue, like if your mom has cooked a sweet, you are able to recognize by eating it. If you see it from far, it can be sweet or it can also be salty, but you will know only when you taste it. So our tongue helps us to know the taste. Either it is sweet, bitter, salty. You will know it through your tongue. Skin. We can feel the things through the contact of the skin. We can know the shape of the things, surface of the things and temperature through the contact of our skin. Skin is also one of our sense organ. Now, how can you tell if it is too hot or too cold? Only by touching it and feeling the temperature of it. When you hold an ice cube, you can feel it through your skin, or if a cup is hot, or how soft a cloth is, or how hard any object is, you can only feel it by when you are touching it or when you are holding it. So now I hope you have understood in this lesson how our sense organs help us and what are the different things they help us in and what are the different parts of our body.